Hello, I'd like to give you information about the material that you will receive when you sign up for the Godly Impact webinar. It'll begin with a cover letter that should give instructions about how to sign in to the Zoom meeting Thursday, July 25th at 7 o'clock Central Standard Time. This cover letter also details a variety of information, and then at the top there is a ticket that will be used for door prizes. Next, we have a webinar notebook, and in this notebook we have the notes of which I will be teaching. On the first page, there's even more detailed information about how to sign in to the Zoom meeting. There's also information about that we'll walk through together about Michael O'Brien and some opening song that he will have, and then my teaching that it goes down all the way through. All of that is included with this webinar notebook. This will be the key resource that will be used throughout the teaching sessions of the webinar. However, we also have a variety of other materials, including an envelope for your feedback and responses to what takes place in the webinar. We have a few opening questions, but then I'd especially like to give attention to question number 4. What stories do you have regarding any webinar teaching points? That or any suggestions that you have as we go along, if you'll complete that and then mail that in to us, or if you'd like to go online, you can find that information here. Next, we'll have some form of a ministry opportunities list. This is updated every day, and so it may have even more than what you see right here. I'll explain that as we go along. Finally, we have a $30 valued Legacy Organizer. Now, this is a very nice resource that you'll be able to use for a variety of reasons in a variety of ways. We are not going to walk through this resource page by page. It's a nice 40-page information booklet. We're not going to take the time to walk through that page by page. However, as I'm teaching in the webinar notebook, I will from time to time make one point and then give a couple pages that you can use to then follow up on certain pages of the Legacy Organizer, the Christian Legacy Organizer. So thank you for your registration in the Godly Impact webinar. I pray that it will be a time that will inspire all of us to make a difference for Christ in His kingdom.